Don't make me tell you nothing. Yeah? If you can't come up on me.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Dolly House, starring Dollar Resha, brown man and white collar, one general. Stay tuned.
You just can't bother brown man. You can't manage him style. Look from when? You promised me look money. Big man for idiot. If brown man think he can style Risha.
No man. God in these times, you know man, God. My woman don't know how she spend money, so I want money stuff. Yeah? Look like a she is kind of. She is. Yes. Hello?
Brown man.
Hi, Risha, how are you, baby?
I want me to get the little money you promised me. I'm hungry.
Hungry? Alright, Risha, I have some nice juicy cane here, Risha.
Every day you want to come to me cane, brown man? Every day? Just cane, so?
Just cut one for you. And I'll cut this one, Risha. Cut this one here. And me and the panic, I'll cut it nice and sweet and just juicy, so Risha. And you see my one for you. Then I cannot belt gas good in the Risha. So if you're hungry, Risha, this is our belt gas good for you, Risha.
But man, listen to me, man. I don't want no sugar cane. I don't want no sugar cane. You see, if you can't carry the KFC, come give me tonight. And the money you promised me, just know say it done. Just know say it done, brown man.
Yeah, and I'm more up and I cut out some cane now and I say I'm going to sell it now to the tourists them so I can get him a couple US guys from there.
Brown man, the best you avoid, you know. The best you avoid me, brown man. You know what? I'm going to phone me, I get a call. I'm going to phone brown man, Simona call me.
This cane thing alone now go work, you know, what I go do now to get some money with dollar reach and idea now. Right now I have to chop down your whole cane field until I go sell out of it.
Hey, what's up, Richie?
Dollar Risha, what go on?
Nothing not go on.
You know so from what you do? You just chew me off. When you tell me about your little man with the farming.
So I have to tell about him. I'm a man, so I have to tell about him.
Right now, uptown. So if you just move in and live uptown with me.
You can't just get up and leave my man like that.
I'm here to spend some time on the North Coast when ready. But I do a star hotel.
Yeah, I like live them nice life the years because I never got a hotel. I never spend a night at a hotel, so I like know what it is like. But I mean, I just can't get up and live with my like that.
Right now, run if you just run with the man. You see me? They're too pretty now, girl. Their face too cute.
You think I'm cute?
Poor life no fit you. Left the man and come live with me, man.
No, Richie, no, I cannot do that.
Man, we spend some time together, man. You know, have to work, you know. You see me?
Richie, how much time I go tell you say I have a man?
I mean, you know why your boy like a man, my girl. See me?
Richie, when I said my boyfriend is not a farmer, I don't mean he's a local farmer, you know. He does export, you know. He supplies a lot of hotels and restaurants, yeah.
Everything I come in. Live like a queen.
Anyways, Richie, we have to come off of the phone now. Bye.
John was star. Cat really hang up for me.
You the way of Kingston, you can't help me. Me, you want brown man to carry the money when promised me and give me tonight. And when my pass case, they want them buy some hot wings, can't come give me. But the brown man, want to come feed hot girl pan cane, pan sugar cane, and yam. Yo, they stop me on the right, you know. They stop me on the right. You know, I go pack up my clothes and go to town to live for you. I go uptown. I go show the brown man what time it is. Yeah, man, brown man need to teach a lesson. Brown man to what other man pay cane? Just cane? Just source a cane, so? Brown man knows the man from all over the world call me. Man can't go to Dubai. Man can't go to Paris, Japan. New York, Canada. Or born man, okay, no. You can born man too. Don't get hot girl cane, just pure cane. Nah, like cane nice though. Cane nice. Tell what born man. If you don't care the money you promise me, come give me this evening and the hot wings. Bro, man, it was stingy.
Alright. You're gonna make you get some cash. I'm gonna make you get some cash, Dalarisha. You soon call the back, Dalarisha. I have a plan. Right. She said she hungry. I think we could have carried to a nice fat cane now. Then she gas and she go on her last bed. No, she said she want a cane plus cash. So now I have to go chop out the whole of my cane field and I'm going to go sell. What kind of sick there, man? What is it? I end up selling 2 goats them last week. Two goats them have them all long, you know, Nanny and Polly, me name them Nanny and Polly, I end up selling Nanny and Polly. Dalarisha, go do this and do that and right now you see it all the best. I've been a cane, you know. I've been a cane, a nice price cane, you know. I sell out everything I chop down. Everything I could chop down. Good enough. Dalarisha,
I want to really end up on more cane. Look at the sugar factory.
I don't know how much I love them, but Dalarisha this a car. Dalarisha.
At Dalarisha, you want to feed pan cane and yam.
Dalarisha, remember say I look at farming me do. You buy KFC here last night, Dalarisha.
No man, you're not going good. I tell you the truth. And if you know still, look, you know, man from uptown a feature me.
Which man? Where say I look here?
Man from uptown want me to come live with them. Yeah.
Yeah, say. Dalarisha, I don't know the girl, but you don't know me how to get what me love you like that. Nice, you love me for you, Dalarisha.
Love can't go market.
Yes, me Dalarisha, but you don't know man, you a struggler man. Me Dalarisha. Yes man, Mr. Rich is there, Dalarisha. Yes, but remember, you know, Mr. Rich have a time, you know, and me Mr. Poor, and have a time to come knock kick down your fence and knock on your door, Dalarisha.
I'm tired of Mr. Poor and knock on my door.
Dalarisha, know yourself, Know yourself. I like Dalarisha, but you know, you might not rich in Dalarisha. But you know the sugar cane hook, you know. You know the sugar cane hook, Dalarisha.
And right now, I'm talk to you, I'm an ear one, my ear one, brown man. Brown man, me need money. Me need money, brown man.
Dalarisha, you know money ration, you know, but we full of passion. Dalarisha, money ration, but we full of passion. Yes, Dalarisha, know yourself, you know, girl. And might not have the big business yet, you know. Remember, you know, the sugar cane juicy and fat and long, you know. Remember, Dalarisha, how much time the night sugar cane make belch your gas and quench your thirst and make a belch.
Yeah, because you make hunger kill me, so anytime I eat me have to belch, because gas take me.
Remember Dalarisha, man. Come on, Dalarisha.
I can't take them, so I can't take them poor life, you know.
Poor, but me have is poor.
A rich mistake.
Remember me a farmer, you know. I food the baby, you know. And at the end of the day, the famine come all the rich man have to come knock on my fence and knock on my door in Dalarisha. Remember, you know, when all this thing I'm done in Dalarisha, I farm, when you can't out of food. Remember that no matter when you're rich, you have to come to me. Dalarisha, just come to me. How can I be the farmer? I miss a food. Dalarisha later. The girl love her belly. Very nice and everything, but the girl put her belly first. You have to start call her belly muss. I love her belly like what the girl has put how much weight in face, big like a elephant and now. I love my dollar wish I see me. After all I said and done, me do look work, you know, but two shot call me. Can't really get me off to do today, but tomorrow me do some work when either half of me. Right now, I carry them two nice sugar cane I go gear, they'll charge gas and I go go on the side, I go dig one piece of yam, you know, and see me find one green banana. And carry go gear and she boil it in the night. I'm gonna reach and all this and then Mr. Richard go.
Right now I'm confused. Yeah, Richie will have his money over here, so but me love brown man. Don't know what to do, me confused because I need money. Money make the world goes around. I need money, I need to be going places, I need to be going shopping in Dubai. Understand? So the sugar cane thing now go work with brown man. The sugar cane just now. Right now I'm confused. I have a big decision to make. Brown man have to step up in the air. Yeah man. Brown man have to go step up in the air.